Good evening. Welcome to the hotel. How may I help you tonight?
Hi. I think I have a reservation, but I'm not completely sure.
That's okay. Take your time. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Tom Harris. Tom Harris.
Thank you, Mr. Harris. Let me check our system. Yes. I found your reservation. You booked a single room for one night. Is that correct?
Yes, just one night. I've had a long day.
I understand. Travel can be very tiring. May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. And how would you like to pay tonight? Cash or card?
Card, please.
All right. Please place your card here and wait for the screen to respond.
Okay. All right, it's done.
Perfect. Your payment has been approved.
That's good to hear. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your room key. You are in room 312 on the third floor.
Room 312, third floor. Got it.
The elevator is to your left. Breakfast starts at 6:30 a.m. and ends at 9:30 a.m. in the dining area.
Okay, that's helpful. Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is. You don't need to pay extra.
Great. That's really nice.
Would you like a wake-up call tomorrow morning?
Yes, please. At 7 a.m.
7 a.m. No problem at all.
Thank you. Oh, one more thing.
Of course. Please go ahead.
Is the Wi-Fi free? And is it fast?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free and quite fast. The password is written on the key holder.
Perfect. That's exactly what I need.
If you need anything during your stay, please feel free to call the front desk.
I will. Thank you for being so helpful.
It's my pleasure. I hope you have a comfortable night.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night, Mr. Harris. Enjoy your stay.